So we start by opening up a new case, and as a fluid package we're going to use Peng Robinson. The components in our system will be hydrogen and nitrogen, and then we can enter the simulation environment. So we want to add three streams. So first one we'll call 1-nitrogen. Give it a temperature 400 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 1000 kilopascals and a mass flow rate of 2800 kilograms per hour. If we look at that particular, we can break that down as being pure nitrogen, so it has a mass fraction of 1 for nitrogen and 0 for hydrogen. And so now that stream is fully defined because we have this bar here turning green. So we'll close the properties for that stream. The second stream is our hydrogen stream. We're also going to give it a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 1000 kilopascals and a mass flow rate of 600 kilograms per hour. So when we double click on that, this one is pure hydrogen, so it has a mass fraction of 1 for hydrogen and 0 for nitrogen. And when we click OK, the stream is fully defined. Stream 3, this is our mixture. So we're not going to specify the temperature or the pressure for this stream because HYSYS will calculate that. So now we're going to add a mixer to our PFD. We double click on it. Our inlet streams are going to be nitrogen and hydrogen. The outlet is going to be our mixture stream. And you can see as soon as we've connected those up, it immediately solves the simulation and this turns green. So now everything is completely solved. So if we take a look at our system, we can double click on this mixture stream and have a look. We'll see that the mass flow is 3,400 kilograms per hour, and if we look at the composition of that, it is on a mass basis 0.8235 fraction nitrogen and 0.1765 hydrogen, and these numbers correspond exactly with those that we calculated by hand.